transmission on. Right, now this is the way around I want it. I've got our top edge up in here. I better, right, that there is our top edge. So pretty much, but things don't have to be exact on it. The one thing I do need to try and make sure I get centre is the whole shaft in the middle, because we've got the shaft sticking up here and this one sticking down on an angle like this. I'm going to have this, the adapter, sitting on an angle like this, and when that all rotates it's going to wear out really fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the transmission over one way, like that. I'll mark it, push it back over this way, mark it, do the same forwards and backwards. And as long as I get everything in the centre of those 4 marks that I've just made, I know that the shaft's going to be pretty much centre and it's going to be good enough for what I'm doing. And by the looks of things, I've got about 2 millimetres just from doing that. I've got about 2 millimetres side to side and about the same going top and bottom. So as long as I get everything relatively central just by doing that, I'll know that the coupling inside is going to be nice and centre. And the other thing is that with it sitting here, all of the bolts that bolt this plate down to the motor, they're not interfering with the transmission. We've got this one sticking out right out the back here, and apart from that, the rest are on the inside. So it's looking really good. One more thing I need to check is, am I going to be able to get bolts up in here? So this one here's looking like there's heaps of room. We've got the 2 top ones for the motor and they've got plenty of room. And then we've got this one here which is sitting in this dip here and there's plenty of room in there. So I had said it before that I might weld the bolts sticking up so that we have 4 studs sticking up and I can put everything centre. The other thing is that if I want to make sure I get this transmission right centre, there are some dowels that also go through this plate. They've got some slightly bigger holes, so I could make those holes slightly bigger and fit the dowels in there, and this transmission will just slide on exactly where it needs to be.